How to rotate a video in Windows Media Player. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate a video using Windows Media Player. It's super simple, and stick with me till the end so you don't miss any important details. Alright, so let's jump right in. Here on my desktop, and I'm going to open up a random video. This one's just some stock footage I downloaded. You can use any video you have saved on your computer. Once the video opens in Windows Media Player, go ahead and pause it if it starts playing automatically. Now, look for the three little dots in the bottom right corner of the player. If you hover over them, you'll see it says More Options. Click on that. Next, go to Video Settings, and from there you'll see the option to rotate video. Click on it once and boom, your video rotates 90 degrees clockwise. If you click it again, it keeps rotating each time. But here's a faster way. Just use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+R. Every time you hit that combo, the video rotates. Super handy if you're trying to get the angle just right without going back into the menu every time. And that's how you can rotate a video in Windows Media Player. Super easy, right? If you found this helpful, drop a like, maybe leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more simple how-to videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.